Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's February 4th, 2026, and if you've tried to access ChatGPT today, you might have noticed something unusual. That's right, the AI giant seems to be experiencing significant downtime. Many users, myself included, have been met with error messages or endless loading screens since early this morning. The official status page, though usually reliable, hasn't yet provided a clear explanation for the outage. This isn't just a minor inconvenience for casual users. For businesses and creators who rely on ChatGPT for everything from content generation to coding assistance, this downtime can be a major disruption. Imagine deadlines being missed or projects stalled because your primary AI assistant is offline. While we don't have official word on the cause just yet, speculation is, of course, rampant. Could it be a server overload from increased demand? A maintenance issue gone awry? Or perhaps something more unexpected? We'll be keeping a close eye on the situation, and we'll update you as soon as more information becomes available. In the meantime, let us know in the comments if you've been affected by the ChatGPT outage today and what alternatives you're using. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech updates.